Hello guys, I hope you're fine and you all have a good mood. Today I'm going to describe a Free Fire match that I played today, and I'm going to describe with you how I enjoyed it, how I played it, how I killed and how I bullied it, and I'm going to describe you. And before any further ado, let's start it. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And now let's start it. First of all, I opened the Free Fire and I went to the lobby and I changed. I saw I have got a new bundle and I was so curious to wear that bundle, and then I went to the wall setting and then I equipped that bundle and changed that bundle. It was looking so good. I was having the shirt of the yellow criminal, but unfortunately I couldn't get the pant of the yellow criminal, but I said that we can manage. I can manage it. I will wear the various clothes, and then I went to the movie, and it was looking so funny character, yellow shirt and blue the ginger color sunglasses and the black shoe. That it was looking so funny, and I was also laughing on that character. And then I invited the three friends to start the VR ranked as squid, and then they were also asking me what kind of character you are having. This is so funny character, change your character. But I said that no, I have got the yellow criminal shot fast. Now I will not let this go. I will figure it and I will make my character so funny. Then they said that anyway, now start the match, and then I selected the beard and the squid and tapped on the start button, and they were not tapping on the ready, so I was starting again and again. So I was so angry, and then I said that why you are not tapping ready. If you do not want to play, you can leave. Why you are wasting my time? And then they said that okay. Then they said sorry to me, and then one of them said that I was changing my character settings, so I'm so sorry that I did wrong with you. And now I will tap ready button and you can start it. And I start, and all of them tap the ready button, and we have the countdown to 39, but it was high tide, so I got 1 minute 13 seconds, and I was so impatiently waiting that when it will start. And suddenly I started the match and went to that chain, and it is a squid game. And so it was, we were back into the plane and we were having the airplane like before. I was so unhappy that we have got the boarding plane. We have not now like the infinity station and not like that. I was so unhappy after seeing that, but I was a bit happy that when I saw the plane, the red color and signs of the squid game on it, and I became a bit happy that it is good like before, not like the infinity station, but good like the before one from the infinity station. And then landed on thing. It was a doll, and there were a lot of books, and then they were saying that when red light do not move. And then I thought that if I will move, what they will do, I will move. And then I moved, and then the doll threw eyes on me, and I couldn't move, and I was stuck on there, and everyone was killing me. Then they killed me. Then I thought that how dangerous is it to move in that red line, and I was so scared. And then after that, I was shouting to the friend that revived me, but he was not reviving me, and the all other friends were also shouting that they were also killed, and that team was not good, that it was so noob team, so we couldn't play so well. But number 4, one player was alive, that Ali 924321, it was there was the name of that player, and I said that please revive me. Then he went to the revival point and he rounded himself into the glue wall. And first he thought that I have to revive them into from the machine. Then he thought if I will revive him from the machine, I will waste my tokens, and I I have then I will have to revive the everyone, and I will need too much money. And if I will went to the revival point, I have to revive only once, and then I can revive the all team members. Then he went to the revival point and he waited alone. The other players were shooting them by sitting on the floor, and then he said that you have to revive us, and you do not have to come out to fight with them. We will come, and then we all will fight them with them, and we will say they are two and we are four together. And then he said that okay, I will not come. Then we all landed at once and at same place. Then we were having not good guns, but we were four, so we killed them. We all were having the pistol, and one of them were having the HP increaser machine, and then he was sitting behind a box and he was shooting us with that gun to increase our HP. My HP was so low, but I didn't have the medkit too, so he was shooting me and increasing my HP. So I thanked him that you helped me, and I was so happy that you increased my HP by shooting me. And I was so happy on him. And then I also get that thing from another friend, and I also helped him once at the end when he had too low HP, so I shooted him and helped him. And then we all got together and started to go. And then uh, whenever we saw any of player, we used to stay behind the glue wall, and we used to kill him, and we killed too much people. I killed the 5k man, and I was so happy that I have killed too much man. But unfortunately I couldn't get so much rank. I got only plus 19 rank, and at the end there were only 10 alive, and I was so scared that I will be killed, and there is no revival point to revive anyone, and the other team member will not revive me. Then I was killing one person, the another person was killing me by sniper, and he shooted me on his on my head, but I jumped and missed his shooting shoot gun. And then I was so scared. Then I used the K character skill EP, and I increased my HP, and I was also having some medkits, small medkits, and I used that small medkit and saved myself. Then my friend was dead and I was about to go, but the other man killed him, so I was so unhappy that only one. And I saw that the to Booyah I have to kill only one person, and he is in front of me. I shooted him, then he threw me a bomb to me, and I was about to kill. And then I went out from the blue wall and started to kill him by the Bryson. But he was having the wood picker, and he made me headshot on my head, and he killed me. And I was so unhappy that he killed me. And then I was unhappy that I couldn't get Booyah on this time, and then I was so unhappy that I was hopeful that I will do Booyah in next time, and I will increase my rank a lot if I will play. And tomorrow in this time after 6:30 I will took my mobile bit more about half hour, and then I will increase my rank and I will be on diamond B. And that's it. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe my video. And that's it. Thank you for watching.